Welcome to the Bayview Condo complex, located in Mills Estate, which is one of Millbrae's most desirable neighborhoods. Perched atop of the hills of Millbrae, this 95-unit complex offers breathtaking views of the San Francisco Bay and SFO from its serene courtyard. The Bayview features 3 levels of well-designed living spaces with a mix of 1 and 2 bedroom units. The entire building is wired for AT&T fiber optic, and residents here can enjoy a host of community amenities such as the swimming pool, the spa, the barbecue area, and a recreation room available for private rental. The building is secured and well maintained considering its age and has direct elevator access to all levels from the secured parking garage, which is located beneath the complex. Additional conveniences include the community laundry facilities and secured entry for added peace of mind. Plus, EV chargers are being installed at every parking space and will be available soon. Here's a peek at 2 of my listings here at the Bayview, which are both on the 2nd floor. Number 225 is a stylish and fully remodeled 764 square foot condo offering modern luxury and thoughtful design. The sleek kitchen features Caesar stone countertops, stainless steel, Bosch, and LG appliances, and so much more, including a breakfast bar. Even the dining room light fixture is an artful conversation piece. There's a versatile area for dining or a home office, and the wall-sized bedroom includes a full walk-in closet. The spa-like bathroom offers a stand-in shower with digital controls, a bidet-ready toilet, and a towel warmer. Additional highlights include recessed LED lighting, modern space heaters, custom closets, and Hunter Douglas blinds. This unit includes a secured 1-car parking space and is listed at $629,000 with HOA dues of just $527 per month. Number 227 is an expansive 1,400 square foot corner unit featuring the largest floor plan in the building. This bright and versatile home offers 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an additional room that can be used as a family room, den, or potential 3rd bedroom. The inviting living room includes a gas-burning fireplace, while the kitchen shines with granite countertops and an eat-in breakfast nook. Enjoy outdoor living on the private patio, accessible from both the living room and the den/family room. The primary suite features 2 closets, including 1 huge walk-in closet with 2 separate doors. As a corner unit, this enjoys a lot of natural light and ventilation. This comes with secured 2-car parking spaces and is listed at $849,000 with HOA dues of $632 per month. The Bayview's location is unbeatable, just off of Highway 280, offering an easy commute to both San Francisco and the Silicon Valley. And don't forget about Millbrae's amazing schools and charming downtown. Although situated on 2 streets, Frontera and Vallejo, the Bayview actually consists of just 1 building and has a strong sense of character and community. So if you're looking for comfortable and convenient living with stunning views, the Bayview could be a good place to call home.